Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you the process of deep conditioning my hair and the end result, and for that I'm going to be using Mega Growth Deep Conditioner. So just follow through and watch the video. Thank you. So my hair has been freshly washed and is still fairly damp, so I'm going to start by applying the deep conditioner to my hair strands. As you can see in the video, you're going to do this, to apply a generous amount of the deep conditioner, whatever product that you're using on your hair. We want to do this on our hair strands from the roots of our hair to the tip. Ensure that you put in a general amount. You massage it into your hair strands and you brush it, as you can see. So I'm going to put this up in a twist and coil the tips of my hair strands so as to protect the ends, from split ends and from breakages. So you may ask, what is deep conditioning? What does it mean to deep condition my hair? Why should I do it? What are the benefits? How long should I leave it on for? So I'm going to answer all this in this video. To deep condition your hair means to use an intensive treatment, which can be, a store-bought deep conditioner, or you have, homemade recipes which you can make yourself to deep condition your hair. And the purpose of deep conditioning our hair is to intensely hydrate our hair and to repair the hair. So usually this is left for longer periods of time, and it works better when heat is applied, because heat sort of hasten and activates the process, so you can get a more desirable result. So I would recommend that you deep condition your hair at least once a month. So that is what I usually do for my hair. But you know your hair better, but really it is recommended you deep condition your hair at least once a month. So deep conditioning helps to restore moisture, it helps to hydrate your hair, and it also helps to repair your hair strands, and also adds shine and improves your hair elasticity. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. This is Chezplace, and I recently started my natural hair journey early this year. And on this page, I'm going to be sharing with you tips and everything I do in order to, help you to grow a healthy natural hair. Please consider subscribing, like, share, comment, and share to your friends and family and to your sisters, anyone that is interested in wanting to grow a healthy natural hair. Thank you once again. Once I'm done with the whole of my hair, I'm going to take a plastic wrap, put my hair in it so as to create heat, and then I'm going to leave this for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. So I will see you guys in my next video, where I take you through how I washed it down and how I kept it in a protective style. Thank you.